Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L Plus and a lovely granite exterior. It rides on 18-inch Michelin Premier all-season tires. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Pacifica 287 horsepower. Along the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Pacifica seats up to 7 people with premium leather seating. If you're on the driver's side or front passenger, you get access to the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. On the left is your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. And as we head into the odometer, it reads 25,385 kilometers. This Pacifica comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, so you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we go into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. Going to controls, you get heated front seats as well as a heated steering wheel. And going to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. Down below is our tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear section of the Pacifica. You can choose to do it by the buttons here or on your Uconnect touchscreen. Moving to the second row, you have 2 captain chairs, both can be used as Sto N Go. And as we head into the third row, we have 3 more seats, all with lots of leg space. Going up to the side is the third of your tri-zone climate control system. And for entertainment purposes, the back of the front seats are your Uconnect entertainment systems. Once you're done in the back, you have a button right here activating the power sliding door. Moving to the trunk, you have plenty of cargo space. If you need any more, the third row is a 60/40 split fold Sto N Go. And once you're done in the back, you have a button right here that activates the power liftgate. So there you have it, the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L Plus. If you like what you see and would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler, get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.